Hey guys, welcome to today's class. Have fun.
Energy. Energy is a capacity to do work. This means that to do work, something or somebody must have energy. A bicycle or a car cannot do work unless it has energy. You cannot walk, run, eat, or go to school unless you have energy. The food you eat is digested in your feeding system. The digested food material are then broken down inside your cell with the aid of oxygen to provide you with energy. This is how we obtain energy for work. Sources of energy. We have natural source of energy and artificial sources of energy. Natural sources of energy are those that are not made by men. Number one, we have the sun. The sun is a heavenly body in the sky. All of us are familiar with the sun. The sun provides the green plant with sunlight to make food. It provides the green plant with sunlight to make food. Number two, natural sources of energy. We have food, e.g. yam, bread, rice, etc. The food we eat contains energy. The energy in food is part of the energy received by the green plant from the sun. When food is broken down into the cell inside our bodies, the energy in the food is being released. Number three, we have wood. Wood also contains energy. The energy is part of the energy the green plant receives from the sun. When wood burns, it releases energy which we use for cooking. Number four, we have coal. Coal, the energy in coal comes originally from the sun and was stored by plants in their bodies. You can use coal for cooking and other purposes. Number five, we have butane, methane, ethane, etc. Natural gas can also be used for cooking, and they come together with petroleum under the ground or water. Number six, we have the wind. Moving wind has energy which can be used to turn engines that do various kind of work such as production of electricity and grinding of grain. We have the windmill for grinding of grain. Number seven, we have water. Moving water or water that fall from a height has energy that can do work. They also have energy that can do work. Now move to artificial source of energy. There are those energy that are made by men. There are those energy that are made by man. Number one, we have the electric generator. Electric generator. Electric generator are artificial machine that can produce electricity, which is a form of energy. Number two, we have batteries. Battery are artificial source of electricity. They store electricity, and they can also be recharged when they run down. Number three, we have petroleum products. Example, we have kerosene, diesel, petrol, etc. Each petroleum product is a source of energy for one type of engine or the other, such as lorries, car, generator, etc. Forms of energy. Energy exists in different or several forms. Number one, we have heat energy. Heat energy is used to cook food, iron clothes, and boil water to produce steam that operate what? Steam energy. Number 2, we have light energy. Light is a form of energy. Light is a form of energy because plants use light energy to make their food in the process of photosynthesis. Sound energy. Sound energy enables us to hear sound of different kinds such as animal sound, singing, radio and television sound, thunder. Very loud sound can destroy our electricity. Electrical energy. Electrical energy can give you an electric shock. It is used to operate electric fan, radio set, television sets, and so many appliances. Chemical energy. Chemical energy is the energy contained in chemical substance such as food, candle, petroleum. When this chemical energy is released, it can do work. Number 6, we have mechanical energy. Mechanical energy is a form of energy which a body processes by virtue of its position or its movement. So we have potential and kinetic energy. Potential energy is the energy of a body by the virtue of its position. For instance, if a stone is raised 10 meters high, it now has potential energy. If it is allowed to fall, it can break a plate, a glass of water, or injure a person's toe. Number 2, we have kinetic. Kinetic energy is the energy of motion of a body. Any object that is moving has kinetic energy. For instance, wind can break branches of tree. Wind can break branches of trees. Revision question: which of the following is not a source of energy? A. We have wood. B. We have smoke. D. We have natural gas. The answer is B. Smoke. Number 2. Which of the following is a form of energy? Which of the following is a form of energy? Number 1, we have wind. Number 2, we have radio. Number 3, we have light. The answer is light. Number 3, energy is the capacity to A. Cause movement. B. Do work. C. Light an electric bulb. The answer is do work, which is B. An English proverb says, "You cannot eat your cake and have it." This means that once you have eaten your cake, that cake is gone forever. If you want another cake, you make arrangements to buy or to bake it. This proverb gives us a good example of something that is not renewable. Life itself is not renewable. If you lose your life through an accident or through sickness, that life is not renewable. This is why one must exercise maximum care in preserving one life. When a person is dead, that person is dead once and for all. On the other hand, when you use water for drinking, for cooking, for washing or otherwise, the water you have used and poured away is not gone forever. So we can say water is renewable. The word renew means to restore something to its original condition. Some sources of energy are renewable, while some are not. Examples of renewable sources of energy are sun, water, wind. Sun is an example because it gives solar energy to the earth. There are now devices for converting solar energy to what? Electricity. When this method becomes widely applicable and affordable, it will become a what? Reliable source of what? Energy. Non-renewable sources of energy. We have kerosene, wood, diesel oil, petrol, natural gas, coal. Petroleum is what? A non-renewable source of what? Energy. The reason for this is that petroleum is formed from what? Dead microorganisms, which died many thousands of years ago. The rate at which petroleum is used now is much faster than the rate at which it formed. This means that one day, sooner or later, petroleum reserve in our country will be used up. Implication of misuse of non-renewable energy. The implication of misuse of non-renewable energy are: non-renewable energy must be used carefully, knowing that once it is finished, it cannot be restored. Nigeria, like other countries, must struggle to learn how to use alternative sources of energy, such as sunlight, wind, water, and nuclear energy, so that when petroleum is exhausted, the country will not go back to its ancient way of life. Effect of energy generation on quality of life. Number 1, many self-employed persons cannot do their work if there is no electricity supply, e.g. we have tailor, weather, etc. Number 2, without electricity, there will be increased spoilage of food. Uses of energy. We use energy provided in the body for walking, seeing, hearing, eating, writing, studying, running, and whatever else we do. We use heat energy, electricity energy, sound energy, light energy, mechanical energy, chemical energy, and magnetic energy, both inside and outside the house, e.g. we use them for cooking, cutting, grinding, and mixing. Like I said before, you can use it for seeing, reading, and operating equipment and vehicle. Revision question: which of the following is renewable energy? A. Wood. B. Wind. C. Petrol. The answer is B. Wind. Renewable energy is one that A. burn easily, B. produce much heat, C. can be restored to its original condition. The answer is C. can be restored to its original condition. 3. Which of the following is renewable energy? A. Sun. B. Water. C. all of the above. The answer is all of the.
I hope the class was interesting. If you have questions, please drop them in the comment section or send us an email. We would love to help you further. See you in the next class.